Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to get high quality backlinks from the site I shall introduce to you. This backlinks is an image backlinks, has a DA of 92, can drive traffic to your site, increase your site ranking, but it is a no-follow backlinks. However, I will show you how to get a do-follow backlinks on this site.
So cool.
The backlinks gotten from this site can be a no-follow and do-follow backlinks. Even if it's a no-follow backlinks, it still plays an important role in your link building profile. Your link building profile should consist of no-follow and do-follow backlinks in order to balance your profile.
That's right.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you no other site but Flickr.com. Flickr.com. So I've said earlier, this site is an image site. So the first thing to do to get backlinks from this site is to sign up on this site. You can click on Start for Free or Sign Up. So what you're going to do is to put your name, your first name, your last name, age, email address, and password, and click on sign up. But I already have an account on this site. I've already opened an account, so I'm going to sign in and show you steps to get backlinks. They do follow and not follow backlinks on this site. So I've just signed in to this site using my email address. So the first time you're signing up for on this site, you'll be asked to verify your email address. So verify your email address to have full access to this site. So to get backlinks on this site, click on this icon. Then click on your username. You click on it. Then when it opens, you click on About. Then when it opens, on your own profile, on your own About, it's going to be empty. So you're going to see an icon here to add it. So you add your description here. Then you scroll down. You're also going to see a point you're going to put your website address. You click on it and add your website address and put every other stuff. As you can see, this backlinks is a do follow backlinks. This backlinks pointing to my site is a do follow backlinks. So that is the first step on getting backlinks, a do follow backlinks from this site. So the second way of getting backlinks on this site is through posting of image. So you also get another backlinks on this site, but this time is going to be a no follow backlinks. All you have to do is to go back to the home page. Go back to the home page. Then click on this icon. This icon means upload image. So this is an image I'm going to use to get backlinks on this site. So to get backlinks from this site, you put the image title After putting your image title, then on your description, you write about the image you're posting. And after that, you add in a link to your website. A link to your website. So I'm going to get that done. So this is it. This is the image title, and also this is the description of the image. And under the description, I added my website URL on the description. Then you can also add tag if you like. Let me add tag. Then after adding tag, you can add as many tags as you want. You can ignore this, add people, add to album, add to groups. Then after you've added whatever you want to add, you click on upload one photo. Then click on upload. Continue to your photo stream. So this is it. We have created a no-follow backlinks on this side. So let's look at it. Let's look at how it looks like. This is the image, and this is the backlinks. So this is a no-follow backlinks. As you can see, this is a no-follow backlinks, but it still plays an important role in your link profile. So I've shown you. I'm going to edit this. So I've shown you how to get Dofollow and no-follow backlinks from this site, Flickr.com. Flickr.com. So you can use this site in building backlinks for your site. Building backlinks for your site. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment if you have any question. So that is how to get backlinks on this site. A Dofollow and no-follow backlinks from this site. After you've done that, the next thing to do is to submit the site for indexing. Submit it for indexing. If you don't know how to get backlinks indexed, check the description of this video. You see a link to the video I've made on how to get backlinks indexed. And if you need my link building services, check the comment section. You see a link to my link building services. Once you've done that, I will see you in the next video.